see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Morning!
Good morning.
Ano ngayon? January 16. Ito yung ginawa ko kahapon. Hi guys! Ito yung ginawa ko kahapon na Bicol Express. Ayan, gustong gusto. Do you like this sack? Huh? Are you done? No. How about you? Are you done? No. Nagustuhan nila. Nagustuhan nila yung Bicol Express. Linalagyan ko lang sila ng konti para hindi masyadong maanghang. So, yun si Kuya naglilinis. Doon si Kuya naglilinis. Ha? Yes. Yan. Kain muna kami na almusal to ha. Kasi ang oras is magti-10.
She said 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock? It's not 3 o'clock.
No, what? It's no.
So yan, kain muna kami. It's not 9. It's almost 10. 5 minutes to 10. Ayan si Kuya. Do you like it, Kuya? Ayan, kumakain din si Kuya. Nagustuhan nila. First time ko maglutong ganitong Bicol Express na walang gata. Hoy, upo ka na doon sa upuan mo. Ayan, dakot siya ng dakot. Oh. Ayan, tapos na kami kumain ng Bicol Express. And ayan yung dalawa. Gusto nilang kumuha ng... Guys, look at daw yung head niya. Ano, mahulog kayo, Kuya, ha? Is Daddy knows that you're doing this?
Yes, we've done this when he was last good one. So yes and
Ayan o, pwede na kasing pitasin yung yung apricot o hinog na sila.
Mom, so at the bottom.
Ayun.
Mom.
Is it sweet, Kuya?
Yeah, Mom.
Lagi sila umaakyat dito, lalo na to si Sak. Ayan.
Mom.
Hindi maganda yung panahon mahal.
At the bottom.
Yeah.
These birds keep eating them and the ants.
Yeah, because it's sweet.
Not without washing.
It's alright for the bird to eat without washing the fruits, Kuya. Yeah. What? Ayun si Sako. Easy lang yan kay Sako. Careful, Saka. Yeah. Sak, careful, ha?
I've been here up here for a while.
Huh?
A long time.
No, it's not. I don't think so. That one is
not
ready. Get the other one. Kuya, are you scared?
I don't want to get up.
Si Kuya takot.
I'm on danger.
Kuya, I suck. Suck, that's enough. That's too far. Yes. Suck, ha? Be careful, ha? You're too far. Come on, it's cold. Suck that. Come on. Suck, ha? Si Kuya, andyan lang siya. Give me some daw, sabi ni Holly. Okay, just get 3.
Oh, yucky. Mom, I didn't pick it off. Oh, yucky.
Don't pick, Kuya, so the bird can eat it or the ants. Don't waste it. Suck, that's enough. You're too far. You might fall. Come here.
This one's ready. Mom,
Ito siya.
this one's ready. Mom, this one's ready. Soft. Mom. Where do you feel that? Oh, here.
Okay, come on, Suck, get down. Oh, give her some daw. Oh, sumisigaw siya. Give me some. Oh, come on, it's raining. Come on, it's raining. Hurry up. Umuulan. Yes, I can feel it. A little drizzle. Okay, that's enough, Suck. What's that? What are you saying? give me some. Wawa naman ang baby girl. Oh, come on, that's enough, Sa. Come on. Come on, tomorrow because it's a bit cold today. Kuya. Oh, parang santol lang yung tinatapon nila. It's alright. It's still alright. Come on, hurry up, Sa. Careful, huh? Careful. So careful.
This one has a hole in it.
It's alright. Come on, Baba. I can get some here. From here.
Yeah, the mom's a bit taller than us.
Yeah.
Mom, run up there, up there. Oh, here.
Ang dami ng mga ano kasi o kagat-kagat ng mga ibon. Ang dami sa ground. Oh, ang dami na dyan. Oh, nahulog. Yes?
Guys,
They're still hard. Ah, here. This one. Oh, there's a hole.
Mom, check if there's a hole in there.
I know. Ah, this one.
Nah.
You have, there's a hole. Yeah. Ayun, may mga butas kasi.
All the ants. Yeah, just the hole. There's some under here.
Huh?
Can you get under?
Aray ko. Nagtusok. Ang dami, oh.
We have some good ones.
Ay, may mga butlig. Here. Ah, may butas. Ang daming butas.
Mom, look at these good ones. Mom,
Here, Holly. You have to wash it, okay?
Mom, there's
What
good
you gonna
ones.
say?
Mom,
You're welcome.
there's good ones.
Yeah, but I couldn't reach it.
Yeah. Teepees.
I can't. Mataas siya. Daddy na lang.
Jump!
What?
Jump!
I can't because I don't have shoes or slipper.
Oh, my mellow is linter.
That's right. Okay, let's go. Akin na. Mommy, wash it. Oy. Thank you.
Mom.
Is it good? Let me see. Ayan siya, oh. Matamis ba?
I tried to say that. I tried to say that and ate that.
Gonna say, salamat po.
I ate
Okay.
the seed.
So, yung mga bata nanonood ng TV, sabi ko, ako dito ako sa kwarto nila. Kasi ayusin ko, tingnan nyo yung ano nila, yung tadan, yung kanilang mga damit. Tadan. So, ayusin ko to. Kasi, naguguluhan ang isip ko pag nakikita ko ng magulo to. So, yan. Yan ang aking trabaho ngayon. Unahin ko muna dito sa top. Ang gagawin ko dito, hindi na ganitong tupi, hindi na ganyan. Iro-roll ko na lang siya tulad dito. Kasi ang ginawa ko dun sa, pakita ko sa inyo yung lalagyan ng mga towels. Ko to nung last week. So, dito yung mga towels, saka mga bed sheets, tapos yung working clothes ni Jan. So, ayan yung mga towels. Diba maayos siya tingnan. And madali lang siya, bunutin kung kailangan mo ng towel. Madali lang at hindi siya talaga nagugulo. And andyan yung mga bed sheets. And no, you're not going outside because it's a bit windy and then it's raining and it's cold, okay? Stay here. That's right. So just stay here, okay? So dito nga, rinol ko yung mga towels. Ito yung pang beach na mga towels. Ito regular towels and ito yung sa mga bata, pang beach din tong mga towels. Tapos dito ipupush ko lang siya. O diba, madali lang, hindi siya magugulo. Dito yung mga whites na mga towel. So yan. So 1 week na to. And kinuna na to ng towel, kaya makikita nyo may space na. Iurong ko ulit. So, ayan. Hindi siya magulo. And then, nandyan yung mga bed sheets. And dito naman yung mga damit na pantrabaho ni Jan. So, dito yung mga t-shirt. And eto yung kanyang long sleeve na maninipis. Tapos doon yung parang makakapal na jumper. So, yan. So, diba, tingnan nyo. Oh, bunot lang siya dyan ng bunot. Hindi siya nagugulo. Kasi dati, yung pagtupi ko is yung normal na tupi talaga. Ang ginagawa, halos everyday, inaayos ko kasi bunot na siya lang ng bunot. Although na, okay na ma'am, kaso lang minsan nagmamadali siya. So, syempre nagugulo. And then minsan maayos, minsan talaga bara-bara, minsan bubunot na lang siya. So, minsan makikita ko tong cabinet, hindi nakasara kasi, ayan, nakahang dito. So, sabi ko, ayusin ko to. And yeah, ayan, nag-decide ako na i-roll up ko na lang yung mga clothes. And so far, magwa 1 week na to. Tingnan nyo. Naubos niya na yung dito. Kasi dito mga t-shirt lahat to. And dito yung mga, ito yung maninipis na long sleeve na pag malamig, ito yung ginagamit niya. And dito yung mga makakapal na jacket. So far malinis siya tingnan. And ayan, bawas dito and doon. And dito yung mga trackies niya. And ayan. Tingnan mo si Holly. What? Are you cleaning? Naglilinis din kasi sila doon. Habang ang tawag no, nanunood, si Kuya namumunas na naman ng mga frames, tapos si Zach nag-aayos din doon kung anong ginagawa niya. So but anyway, yan. Eto, ayan, makita nyo, marami nang nakuhang trackies, and dito din. So, hindi siya magulo. And dito yung medyas niya, nilagay ko sa plastic para madali lang din. So, yeah, pero bibili ako ng yung parang malit na box para ilagay yung mga medyas niya para maayos siya tingnan. So, yan. So far, mag 1 week na maganda pa rin yung ayos. So, yan ganito ang gagawin ko sa mga cabinets ng mga bata. I-try natin kung may improvement. Unahin ko dito sa taas. Ito yung mga school uniform ni Kuya at ni Zach and yung pang-golf nila. So, yan ang unahin natin. And so far, yan pa lang yung aking natutupi. Yan yung uniform ni Kuya. Diba maayos siya tingnan? Si Zach, ito yung uniform ni Zach nung kindy siya. Pero ngayon, aalisin ko na to kasi bibilhan din namin siya ng uniform na ganyan. Kasi schoolboy na siya, hindi na siya kindy boy. Lagi niya akong kinukorek sa kindy at saka sa school. Kasi iba raw ang kindy at saka school kay Kuya. So, ngayon, schoolboy na siya. Hindi na siya kindy boy. Yan. So, alisin na natin yan. And, move on na tayo sa mga iba pang tupiin. Ayan. Ito yung mga collar shirt. Ang itsura niya pag na-fold siyang parol. Ayan. So, ito, dalawa to. Kasi isa si Kuya tsaka si Zach. Mahilig ako sa kanila yung parang uniform sila lagi. Na ayaw ni Jan. May bisita tayo, oh. Gumawa siya ng sandwich.
It's not sandwich.
Oh, what
Nutella and bread.
Nutella.
Mom, can we take it out of there?
Oh, no. Oh, so, eto na yung nagagawa ko. So, eto yung mga pang-golf nila. TJ and Kuya Zach. And eto yung uniform. So, Kuya. So, ayan. Malapit na siyang mapuno. Then, ilalagay ko na yan doon sa cabinet. That's Kuya's golf shirt and Kuya Zach. Okay? No. Okay, go there now with Kuya's. That's Kuya's uniform. Yan, nailagay ko na yung mga na-roll up kong mga damit. Ito yung mga uniform dito sa side ni Kuya. And dito sa gitna is yung mga pang-golf nila. And ito yung mga may, yung polo collar shirt ba ang tawag dyan. So, ayan. And yeah. So, yan. So far, maganda at marami pang space. So, marami pang may lalagay dyan. Dito na po sila. Inaalis ni Kuya yung mga papel na nakadikit dyan sa door.
Mommy!
Yeah. Clean up. What? Ayan. Magtupi na ako. Ang dami ko pang gagawin. Ayan. Yung palang sa taas ang natatapos ko. Ginugulo nila ako dito. Ayun si Zach, nag-ano rin siya, nagro-roll up ng damit. May nagawa na pala siyang isa. Ayan. Ayan, ulitin ko yan. Ayan. Pinahayaan ko lang, ha? You have your hat?
Mom, Holly should go for wrestling.
Okay.
This is easier.
Be careful. Ayan, nililinis ni Kuya yung Yeah, it's alright, that one. But that one, I don't think so. No, you're not gonna put it there, Kuya.
Why not?
Because I don't think so Daddy will like it. Because you're gonna ruin the paint.
What, hand roller? No,
yes.
this one has blue tack.
Okay.
Mom, this is blue tack.
Blue tack. Okay. But make it nice, Kuya. Sige na, mag-ano na ako si Zach,
Shorts?
Tingnan nyo na. No, it's not like that, Kuya. We're gonna roll up now. Yes. No. No, you have to hold like this.
Mom!
And flat.
Mommy!
Yes.
My baby!
Yeah, and then
Mom, then go like this.
no, kuya.
This Shopee, Mom. Mom. Mom.
Not bad, Zach. Let me see.
Mommy. Mom.
Ito yung gawa ni Zach. Oh,
Mom. Is
oh, diba? Yeah, it's nice.
Mom. My baby.
Baby, okay.
Mom.
Ano ba yan? Ang gugulo na. Parang matatagalan tuloy ako. No, it's wrong, kuya. You have to do this. You have to fold each side. This one like this. And then, just, look what Saka is doing. Can you teach Kuya TJ, please, Zach? You know how to do it now. Ayan.
But Mom, what top was it in?
Huh?
Shell.
Ay, ang gulo na nila.
What one was it in? Was it in this one?
Yes.
But I could not find it.
Well, because
It
it's all
must have
messy.
Mom, what? It must have been at the back.
You still have Nutella on your face. No, not like that, Zach.
Ow!
I told you like this. You have like this.
Oh yeah. I was like this.
Sige, parang kayo na magtupi ng mga damit
I
niyo.
love this one.
Huh?
That,
Yeah, you have to straight it up. Like that. And then
fried it.
do this.
I'm Mom.
Okay. Yes.
This.
You have to straight it up, Kuya. Look at Zachary. No, you have to fold that one too. And no, not that one.
This. What this?
Look at Zach. Look at Zachary.
This. Mom. Mom.
No, Zach. No. No. Ay, naku, ang gulo niyo. Ako na nga lang.
Mom.
Yes, and then fold that one, the other side. Yes. No, like what you did. No.
Like this.
No. No. Ay, nako. Get. You done all right here. No, no. Look at me. Like this. Here. And then the same like this. Then that one. And then that one. Then roll up here.
Do you TJ like this? Do you TJ?
Yes, like that one.
Where do I put it?
Yeah, okay. Akin na.
Look at mine. Do we put it in the cabinet?
Not yet. I'm just gonna put it in the basket first. Yes.
Look.
Let me see.
Does Holly need this TJ?
Okay, very good. Okay.
I want to put it in.
Okay, so ayan. Parang tinutulungan nila ako pero parang matatagalan tayo matapos dito. Okay, sige na.
T-shirt.
Yan si Kuya, marunong na siya.
Mom, just tell your phone singlet.
No. Let me see Kuya.
I don't know how to do singlets.
So ayan. So ayan yung nagawa ni Kuya tsaka si Sak na niyan ang nagro-roll up oh.
It's like roll-ups that you eat.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom,
So,
I
ayan.
found one here.
Yeah, okay. Ayan, may katulong na ako.
Wait, that's the one we had to wear.
And you little girl, what are you doing?
Baby.
Holding your baby? Ayan sila oh.
I have baby.
Yeah, hi baby daw oh.
This.
Kiss daw si baby oh. Mm. How about you?
Mom.
Kiss mommy daw. Okay. May kiss mommy. Thank you. So, ayan. May katulong na ako magtupi.
Holly, you're wrecking one.
Let me see, Zach. Let me see. Kung makapasa.
We have to stay first.
Because
That is nice.
I'm looking if you're doing the
What thing?
right thing. Yeah. So, ayan. Nakapasa siya.
Mommy,
Yes?
look. Mom,
Mm.
let me do.
Look daw. Anong ginagawa mo?
That.
Ayan si Kuya.
Look. Look.
Let me see, Kuya.
Mom.
Well done. Oh, marunong na sila.
Hey, I want to put it in.
Okay.
Oh, Keisha, I was going
Who?
to.
Okay.
Mom.
You have to put this one facing down that one. So like that, okay?
I wanted to do that for a minute, but too late.
Let me see yours. Ayan yung pangalawa ni Zach. Okay, put it in. Like this one. This one's facing down. That one. So it's not gonna open.
Is there any more?
Good job. Ayan.
Oh, yes, this one.
Maraming silang nagagawa. Tutulong din daw siya. O, ilalagay niya. Let me see. Who did this? Etong gawa mo? It's not rolled up, Baba.
Mom, I haven't.
It's not rolled up.
Mom.
Well done, Jackie boy.
Mom. You may teach you, Holly. Mom.
Yes.
Mom.
Okay, Kuya Saka will teach
Mom, I
you.
haven't done this wear this one for a long time.
Yeah, you have to wear that soon.
When we like go to the mall, we
Yes.
go shopping.
Yes.
I'll wear this one. Huh? Mom.
Tinuturuan niyo si Holly, oh.
This. There.
You wait, Holly. Wait, you have to look first. Oh, na-over mo naman, Sak.
Huh?
It's over. No, you meet in the middle.
Like that.
Yeah.
Fold it.
Are you watching, Holly?
Yeah. Like this. Fold that. And you can fold that way. Fold it. Good deal. Roll it up. Like this. That. Good deal.
Good girl!
Mom,
Okay na. Yes,
this
Kuya.
is it in color.
Yes, it is. Ayan si Holly.
It's a blue.
Ayan na si Holly. Lina, ganyan.
Look. Mom, mine.
That's yours. Okay.
Look.
Oh, I have to look. Ito yung gawa ni...
Mine.
Oh, ni Holly daw. Okay. Oh, sige. Lagay mo dyan.
No, I'm
Okay.
better TJ.
Who?
I'm better to you, TJ.
No, you're both good.
What's that?
Singlet. Nuurin ko raw si Kuya. Okay, Kuya. Oh, you have to fold the other side first, Kuya.
What?
Okay.
Look, this tiny short. Mom, show.
Well done, Zach.
Look at this.
Yes. Okay, wait. I'm watching Kuya.
Wait, do I turn it over?
Yes, start it over. Good boy, Kuya.
Mom, it's over.
Okay. Well done.
Mine is
Ah.
tinier.
Marunong na talaga sila, oh.
Mom, look at mine. Mine is really tiny. Mom, can I do it?
That's a short one. Okay.
I know.
Nag-aagawan pa silang dalawa, oh. Ayan na. I told you, yes. Very good, Kuya. Good boy. Okay. Sige, tapusin na namin to. Not yet. We have to finish this one. Kunti na lang. Kunti na lang.
Mom, look.
Oh, wow! Ilalagay niya na doon.
It's like that.
Ha?
It's mine.
It's yours? Ala ka. Sige. Are you helping me or what? Yes. Oh, what's next?
Papa, you may teach her this? Okay, she did that then.
Tingnan niyo si Holly. Paikot siya ng paikot dyan and ginagaya niya si Sak.
And I went too fast. Holly, die. I'm going next. No, I am. Holly, go. Here, let me lift you up. Here. Oh, why is it gone? Was that fast, Holly? Okay, done. And my turn. Done. Zach's turn now. And
Tingnan niyo na. Naglalaro na sila, oh.
Zach, that's enough. It's on the thing. Oh yeah, that's fast. My turn. No, my turn. Let's try you. Mom. I was on really fast. Hear the crack?
Yes, I did.
That's me. My turn. My turn.
Si Holly naman daw.
Oh man.
So, ayan. Hindi pa ako tapos, pero ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga nagawa ko. So, ayan. Inom lang ako ng tubig and may ipakita din ako sa inyo. Kasi kahapon, pumunta si Jan sa post office and tinawagan niya ako. Nag-joke siya sa akin. Sabi niya, kailangan niya bumalik ng bahay para kunin yung trailer. Kasi nga, ang dami ng na-stock na package. So, kahapon lang namin nakuha. And, yung dalawa, padala yan ng friend ko. And, eto naman, etong tatlo from yang sa orange hanggang sa top. Mga yan, mga snacks na sinubscribe ko na gagawin namin ng mga bata, itatry namin. And eto, Nag-order ako dito sa Tasty Duck Salted Egg kasi matagal ko na talagang gusto to. And yeah, ayan, finally nakabili na ako, naka-order na ako, and nandito na siya. So itatry ko rin siya. And eto, padala to sa akin ni Miss Misty Alcantara from Sydney. May business siya na mga scented candle na soya scented candle. So yan. Tapos eto, matagal ko na to in order. Eto, kahapon binuksan ko siya. Eto yung tawag nito, in order ko to matagal na. Yung pinicture to ni Miss Raisa Contawi. So nagkaroon silang, in-email nila ako, nagkaroon silang problema sa stocks. Actually, dalawa in-order ko kasi nung pag-order ko nito, halimbawa nag-order ako ngayon, the next day nag-order akong isa para sana doon kay Pompal. Kaso nga, refund nila sa akin after 5 days yung perang yon kasi raw wala silang stock. So, pero eto, hinintay kung willing daw ako maghintay. So, sabi ko yes. So, ayan, dumating na siya yung, Elra Face Off. So, yan, dumating na siya. So, yeah, yan. Pinakita ko lang sa'yo. Inom na ako ng tubig. Tapos, balik ulit ako doon para magtupi. Yan, nakinom na ako ng tubig. And, buksan ko to. Ito yung padala sa akin ni Miss Misty Alcantara from Sydney. Pahabol Christmas gift niya raw to sa akin. Thank you po. Ito yung soya scented candle. So, tingnan natin. I think mayroon din siyang diffuser. Tingnan ko ha. Tingnan natin. Wait. Ang bango niya. Tingnan nyo. Ang bango. Ayan. Ang ganda pa ng packaging. Thank you, Miss Misty. Eto, meron siyang meron siyang website. Ililib ko yung yung website niya diyan sa description box. Diffuser to. Alam niyo naman, nahihilig ako ngayon sa diffuser. Ayan. Meron siyang ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4. And meron siyang letter. Basahin ko lang ha. Wait lang. Ang sweet naman ng message niya. Thank you po. Thank you. And yeah, salamat. And yeah, ililib ko yung yung link niya down the description box. And check nyo. Ang bango niya. Inopen ko lang yung box na amoy ko na. Soya wax pala to. Sabi niya dito sa letter is meron siyang card. Ayan. Ito yung niya. So, from Sydney. She's from Sydney. Filipina siya. Meron siyang, ito yung business niya sa Sydney. So, yeah. Thank you, Miss Misty. Maraming salamat. Tapos, ang ganda pa ng pagka-package. Buksan ko muna to. Ito, na-excite ako dito. Wait lang. Bango niya. Parang, kasi meron pa yung diba, kalalagay ko lang sa kwarto namin ng yung binili kong diffuser sa nung nag-road trip kami. So, itago ko muna to. Ayun, oh. Ang bango. Ano kayang scent niya? Tingnan natin. So, yung scent na binigay niya sa akin is yung Tropical Cocktail. And meron siyang 6 na iba-ibang scent. So, kung interesado kayo, ililib ko na lang yung link niya down the description box and i-check nyo po. And meron din siyang IG. Ilagay ko na lang din. And i-check nyo po. So, yun. And ito, tingnan na rin natin. Buksan ko na rin ito. So, buksan naman natin tong isang box. Ang ganda ng packaging. Maganda yung box. Maganda yung quality niya. Pwede siyang i-reuse. Lagyan ng kung anong anik-anik. So, buksan natin siya. Ito yung niya. Scented soya wax candles. So, ito yung fresh linen. And meron siyang Amalfi Coast and Misty Morning. So, amoyin natin. Wow, ang bango. Ito para siyang baby powder. Ito. Wow, parang bagong ligo ang amoy. Ito naman, relaxing. Ay, ang babango. Ang bango, promise. Totoo, mabango siya. And yung, ito naman, ano kaya ito? Buksan din natin to para makita natin kung ano pa yung mga pinadala ni Miss Misty. Thank you, Miss Misty. Ang dami naman. Thank you po. Ano kaya to? Oops. Ang ganda ng niya. Maganda yung niya. Yung tawag yun, yung combination na white and black na box niya. Wait. Sandali lang. Ayan. Wow, ang social naman ng wait. Ay, ang bango. Oh, thank you, Miss Miss. Ang bango niya. Promise. Tapos, ang ganda pa ng ano. Oh my God, ang bango. Ang bango. Anong ano niya? Ay, ang bango. Masarap ang amoy. Masarap yung amoy. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong scent niya. Basta i-check nyo na lang. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box. Ito yung isa. 4 ang inano niya sa akin. 4 na box. Yung isang box may 3 candles. So, ito naman na isa. Unboxing tayo. Isa. Yung isa, ano siya, maliit yung ano niya, payat na, ayan, payat. Ito naman, malaki na, medyo, bulky. So, buksan natin. Ang ganda ng nito yung nalagyan. Oh my God. Ang bango. Eto, ano to? Sunlight. Sunlight. Ay, hindi. Ano kaya ang scent niya? So, yan. I-check nyo na lang yung ano niya kung interesado kayo. Mababango silang lahat. Pinaamoy ko. Is it mabango, haan? Ha? Mabango?
Yeah, mabango.
Mabango. Gusto niya ng sindihan to, oh. Sabi ko, wag muna kasi gusto ko pag sobrang linis na yung bahay. So, yan. Eto, I think I will put this in the living room, ha? This one. Ha? Ang bango. Ang bango. Gustong-gusto rin ni Jan yung amoy. So, yan. Thank you, Miss Misty. And eto, buksan ko na rin to. Eto yung, Elra. Guys, what? What?
My bag.
Oh, look daw yung bag niya. Anong meron sa bag?
Daddy, see my bag.
Daddy?
Hmm?
It's what? Ano? Let me see your bag. Ano nandyan? Yung mga, let me see. Meron siyang Coco Pops. And yung mga...
Cool.
Oh, okay. You're gonna cook. Okay. See ya. Yes? Yes. What?
Toys.
Okay. See ya.
Not toys.
Toys?
Not this.
Oh, this. Okay. Okay. See ya, Baba.
Yeah.
Ayan, finally, na-meet na rin kita, Elra Face Off. Ayan, finally, nandito na siya. Ang tagal ko na tong hinintay, as in. Kailan ba yung pinost ni, ni Miss Raisa Kuntawi? Basta yung pag-post ni Miss Raisa Kuntawi, pagkatapos ko manood ng video niya, nag-order agad-agad ako. And, ayun, na-confirm, pero pala, yun pala, out of stock na sila. Ang tagal naman ito mabuksan. Wait lang. Yan, inangat ko lang para sabay-sabay natin siyang tingnan. Pakita ka, please. Ay, hindi. So, ayan, sabay-sabay natin siyang tingnan. Come on. Ayan. Tadan! Ayan, meron siyang lalagyan. Yan, dito siya ilalagay. Mayroon siyang parang dust bag. And eto na siya. So, ayan. And, panunuorin ko ulit si Raisa Kuntawi kasi sabi niya dun sa video na ginawa niya nito, parang wala yata tong English na, translation kung paano siya gamitin. And, paano ba to? Pwede ba to dito? Ay, yun lang. Ano kaya to? Ay, itanong ko si Jan. So, yan. Ito yung laman. So, yeah. Magagamit ko na siya baka bukas. Excited na ako. So, yan. Balik na ako dun sa aking mga 2 p.m. Anong oras na? Hala, baka hindi ko na yun matapos. 4:13. Ayan, 4:13 na. May sale yata yung Yes Style, oh. So, yeah. Ayan. Yung mga yun, next time na lang. So, yun na lang yung sa baba ang gagawin ko. And, ayan si Holly. And, kumakain kami ng chicharon. Ha? Your what?
My cool.
Your clothes.
My cool.
Huh?
My cool.
I don't understand you, Baba.
Where is it?
Oh, that's not yours. That's for Kuya. That's Kuya's clothes. So, ayan. So, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yeah, don't touch. Okay. Pagpatuloy na natin to. Si Kuya yung nag-roll up ng trackies. Meron siyang nagawa doon na isa.
No.
So, yeah. So, yeah. Put it there.
Wait, am I?
Good boy. So, ayun na yung nagawa niya.
these could be Zach's.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, I know that's
Ayan, madami nang nagagawa si Kuya doon, oh.
Hi, guys!
Oh my God. Yung ditong side, is this your side?
This side.
Yeah, and this side kay, ano to, kay
Zach.
Zach. So, yan. So, ayan, tapos na ako magtupi. Ayun yung una kong ginawa. Ayan. May space pa. Ang dami pang space niya. Ang dami pwede pa maglagay dito. And ito yung kay Kuya TJ. Ayan. So, ang kalahati nito is dito yung pangbahay and dito yung panglabas-labas. Alam na yan ni Kuya kasi sinabihan ko na siya. And ganun din kay Sak. Ito yung ano niya, kay Sak, opposite side. Yung dito yung panglabas niya, dito yung pang bahay niya. So, para alam nila. And dito yung trackies ni Sak. And then kay shirt ni Sak. And then ito yung kay Kuya na trackies and shirt. And then yung pajama, ang ginawa ko, pinag-roll ko together yung damit tsaka yung pants para isahan lang na bunot. So, yan. Alam na nila yan kung kanino yan. Ito kay Sak or kay TJ. So, alam na nila yan. So, ayan. Marami pang space. So, ayan. Tapos ko na siyang gawin. And, yeah. Update ko na lang kayo kasi magluluto pa ako ng dinner namin. So, yan na. So, yun na yung vlog. Magluluto pa ako ng dinner namin. So, update ko na lang kayo kung mamimaintain ng mga bata yung mga damit nila na ganyang kaayos. So, yun. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Bye!